looking at a problem that is multiplying fractions. And so this student is saying I need to find common denominators, then multiply the numerators. And they are having a common misconception of solving this the way they learned addition or subtraction, finding the common denominators and multiplying the numerators across and keeping the same denominator. So they have a right concept of combining fractions, but now they're not fully understanding taking apart of this fraction. So what I'm going to do is create a context and show them how we're going to take apart a fourth of this 2/3 instead of combining these. What is this combination? So, but they do understand that we're supposed to go straight across. So that's also something that they understand. So bringing in context, the school is having a bake sale and 2/3 of the total amount of baked goods are cookies, and a fourth of the amount of these cookies are pies. How many of the total baked goods at the school bake sale are pies? So we have 2/3 cookies and a fourth of these cookies are pies. So let's look at this with a manipulative, and we can break this apart with this is the total number of baked goods. Then we know that there are 2/3 of cookies of these total baked goods. So what we need to find are the third fraction tiles to represent our 2/3 of cookies. And so we can kind of break this apart easier. I'm going to show our 2/3 of our cookies. So 1, 2 out of the thirds are cookies of the total baked goods. And so then now I need to find a fourth of 2/3. So all I'm going to look at for the fourth are these two. So I'm going to break these up because I know split down the middle that this will make 4 pieces. So I need to find one that aligns pretty much in the middle of each of these two parts of the cookie, so I can find a fourth of the 2/3 cookies to be pies. So I'm going to kind of experiment here. And a fourth is too large. A fifth is too large to find for pies. And a sixth, oh, that lines up perfect. So now I can tell that a fourth of these pies of the 2/3 cookies will be a sixth in the total baked goods. So a sixth of the pies is equivalent to a fourth of the 2/3 of cookies for the total baked goods is 1/6. So I'm going to say 2/3 times a fourth equals 1/6 pies of the total baked goods. So now I have showed the student that is confused with this problem that we are taking a part of 2/3 and we are not combining the fractions together. So we have a 6 pies of the total baked goods.